Hey everybody, Desert Guardian here, and today I'm going to be installing the brand new Polymer80 PF Series Magwell for their standard V2 frame. So the V2 frame, as you've probably seen in the previous video, is the Glock 17 size frame from Polymer80. So that's this guy right here. So this one's got, like I said, Glock 17 size V2 frame. It's also got the Polymer80 slide and trigger. We'll go ahead and clear it here. And this one's got the S3F barrel, the Hive mag release, so it's a really nicely set up pistol, and today we're going to make it a little bit nicer with a Magwell. So the Magwell just enhances the bottom of the frame here, has a little bit of a bevel to it for quicker reloads, also provides a little bit of more grip on the front, and just adds a little bit to the aesthetics as well, which I really like. So now this one, I'll go ahead and pop it open here, is specifically made for the Polymer80 V2. You may remember I did a quick video on the 940C, the compact frame Magwell, but this one, like I said, is made just for the full-size frame. Will it work on the bottom of a standard Glock 17? I don't know. I haven't tried it. This is my first time opening the box on this guy. So let's see. Here's my Gen 3, and you can see it's got quite a bit of a different shape to it. So it is specifically designed for the V2. Could you make it work? Maybe. I wouldn't recommend it. It's made for what it's made for. So here we have it. So in the package we've got this beautiful anodized aluminum, kind of a blood red color. Looks great. A little Polymer80 logo on it. We've got a frame plug and some hardware. The frame plug here. Okay, we got a beveled screw, a flush mount screw that goes right up in here to hold it onto the frame plug. Got a little bit longer Allen screw here that holds the frame plug into the frame itself, and here's the frame plug. So you can see it's got like a half moon shape here, and that goes, hopefully you can see it with the light, right into this slot, the rib in the center of the magazine well area of the frame. So let's see here. So we'll take this guy. So this guy installs right here. Pretty easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the frame plug, I'm going to put it in first. We're going to drop it in place so that half moon is facing this way and fits right into the slot where it belongs. Going to make sure it's sitting down in there nice and snug. I'll give it a little tap with my armorer's tool. And then this first screw here, the bigger of the two, goes right in the back here and secures that frame plug in place. So we'll go ahead and get that started. Grab my Allen here. Make sure we're all flush and not cross-threaded, because it is a steel screw going into aluminum, so we always want to be sure that it's going in straight and true, so we're not creating our own threads in there. So just kind of get in there by feel. Oh, she wants to go sideways a little bit. So take a look down in there, bear with me. Yeah, it's just not sitting quite flush enough. So I want it to sit nice and flush. We'll give it another tap here. There we go. Get it in there snug so it goes in right the first time. And we'll get that frame plug screw put in. And it will snug up so it is flush with the back of the frame. Nice and clean, absolutely out of the way. And there's your frame plug. So next up, we've got a tiny little bug trying to get my gun. Got the Magwell itself, so this is pretty self-explanatory. We'll flip it over, slips right over the top, snaps into place, and you've got this little flush mount screw. Drops right into the frame plug. So screw that in, that'll sit flush. When I'm done, I'll probably put a little bit of blue Loctite on it, take it apart and put a little Loctite in these guys to hold them in place. And there you have it, the finished install. So nice, attractive, great color, a little bit of a grip enhancement here, a little bit of a bevel for the magazine here. Feels great in my hand and looks amazing. Empty magazine, slips right in, fits perfectly, not going anywhere. And there it is. that is the Polymer80 PF Series Magwell for the standard V2 frame. So hope you enjoyed this install. Hey, click that subscribe button down there. I'm going to go ahead and be putting up videos here. You know, I try to get them in once, twice a week. Been a little slow lately, but I got more coming. Got lots of cool stuff in the works, including a Polymer80 PF 940 SC, the subcompact Glock 26 frame build that we'll have up here hopefully later on this weekend. And I'm going to have links on where to buy this down below, so check the notes down below, and I'll put some links in on where you can get one of these Polymer80 PF Series Magwells. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. As for now, Desert Guardian, out.